Bonjour friends. So today I'll teach you how to count and pronounce the numbers in French from 0 to 20. So friends, the topic for today is les nombres, which means numbers. The numbers in French are written in the same way as we write them in any other common languages. But what makes the difference is how we pronounce them and how we write them in words. In French, 0 is written as Z-E-R-O with an aigu accent on E. So this is pronounced as zéro. Please have a look here. Zéro. So now coming to 1. 1 in French is pronounced as un. 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 1 is pronounced as un or une. It depends how it is pronounced. If it is written un, so this means that this un is used before a masculine singular. And if it's written une, that means that it is used before a feminine singular. So I'll be teaching you all these things afterwards. 2 is pronounced as deux, deux, deux. 3 is pronounced as trois, trois, trois. Is that not easy? 4 is pronounced as quatre, quatre, quatre. 5 is pronounced as cinq, cinq. Have a look here. Cinq. Écoutez bien. Listen properly. Cinq, cinq. 6 is pronounced as six, six. 6 is pronounced as six. 7 is pronounced as sept. It is not pronounced as sept. It is pronounced as sept. Sept, sept. Écoutez bien. 8 is pronounced as huit, 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 huit. 9 is pronounced as neuf, 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 neuf. 10 is pronounced as dix. 10 is pronounced as dix, dix. Now 11. How do we pronounce 11 in French? 11 in French is pronounced as onze, onze, onze. 12 is spelled as douze, douze. Écoutez bien, listen properly. Douze, douze. Now 13 in French is pronounced as treize, treize. 14 in French is spelled as quatorze, quatorze, quatorze. How is 15 spelled in French? It is spelled as quinze, quinze. How is 16 spelled in French? Seize, seize. 17 is pronounced as dix-sept, dix-sept, dix-sept. 18 is pronounced as dix-huit, dix-huit, dix-huit. 19 is pronounced as dix-neuf, dix-neuf, dix-neuf. 20 is pronounced as vingt, vingt, vingt. Listen to me. Vingt. Is that clear? Now you might have noticed one thing, that 17, 18 and 19 are quite easy to pronounce, isn't it guys? Here you might have noticed that 10 and 7 makes altogether 17. You might have seen here that 7 is spelled as sept. How 7 is spelled? 7 is spelled as sept. So 10 and 7. How they are going to be spelled? 10 is spelled as dix, dix. Dix. How 10 is spelled? Dix. How 7 is spelled? Sept. So all together, 10 and 7 makes dix-sept. Dix-sept. Therefore, it makes a 17. Likewise, 18 and 19 are also pronounced. You can see here, dix-huit. 10 and 8 all together makes 18. So how 10 is spelled? 10 is spelled as dix and 8 is spelled as huit. Therefore, dix-huit. How 19 is spelled here? 10 and 9 makes dix-neuf. How 10 is spelled? 10 is spelled as dix and 9 is spelled as neuf. Therefore, 19 is dix-neuf. Is that not quite easy? So this is quite easy, right? Isn't it? Just practice it over and over so that you might get very good at it eventually. Practice makes a man perfect. So here they are. Count with me if you can. Are you ready? Écoutez bien. Listen properly. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Merci beaucoup guys and bonne journée.